Hiya lads, Lee Kenny here over at Power Wash Cleaning Wigan. Just doing a test as promised for certain degreasers. As you can see, we're cleaning a really greasy, it's a food area, that's a Harry Ramsden's chippy over there, the loading bay. And obviously as the wagons come out, it's really thick in grime and, well, mainly grease. I'll just show you how thick it is. I don't know if it's zooming in on that. That's how thick it is. Look at that. Just mega thick. Anyway, up today we've got certain test patches, certain chemicals. We've got, see if we can zoom in. We've got steam cleaners, super concentrate, if you can make that out. Steam cleaners limited, that is. Hang on, there you go. Yeah, super concentrate, that's a high caustic TFR 6%. Then we've got Walker Brothers heavy duty 8% caustic degreaser. It's quite a low foaming one, so he says. Then we've got Q Services Eco Oil Remover from Damien over at Q Services. Next we've got Ubik 2000 from Clover Chemicals. Then we've got a high alkaline Django scrubber dryer fluid, high caustic 12 on the pH scale. Then we've got from the States, we've got Dragon Juice mixed as per Andy Vickers' recommendations, 5:1. And then we've got EBC courtesy of Carlos Gonzalez. And then we've got another one from Q Services, but it's just see if we can get on it. There you go. It's a solvent based degreaser that. I've just put them all down and started a video. You can see the patch there. Yeah, that's just really turned it black. EBC's definitely doing something. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it's definitely lifting something off, if I can just get zoomed in on that. Dragon Juice. And look at that. Yeah, that's doing something as well. You can see it breaking it up. I won't put my finger in the high caustic one. But it looks to be working. What I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to run the surface cleaner over on cold. Ubik, there's Ubik's patch. There's the Eco from Damien. Heavy duty degreaser from Walker Brothers. And super caustic from Steam Cleaners Limited. I've also done super caustic on a 50/50 there as well, like the sprayer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do just a cold wash with a surface cleaner, give them another 5 minutes, so they've all had about 10 minutes each. Give them another 5 minutes or so to dwell a bit longer, and then just hit it on cold, because I know a lot of lads out there don't actually have hot water machines, so there's no point me doing it on hot, because it doesn't give a fair thing saying, yeah, that's great, but you need a hot machine. This is obviously to help the lads who just have cold machines as well. Gives them an idea of which one to go for. So I'm going to stop the video now and fire the machine up and leave them for a few minutes. Cheers. Okay, here we are back on the grease removal test. There's all the subjects lined up. Just going to show you that just pure water on cold just will not cut it. Here's an example. There you go. It's not even cut through the grease at all. It's shifted the muck off the top, but not the grease. So it's only further to start from this side, which is where I started laying them, and it took me like a minute to lay them all. I'm going to just do one pass with the surface cleaner on cold, 21 litres a minute, 250 bar, Here we go. Right, there you go, and I'll go and rinse it off. Just give it a quick rinse off so we can see what we're doing. Right, now this is actually quite interesting. They've all done a very good job, but as you can see, just get this way here. I wonder if you have a look, the patches in between are still there. If you have a look, there's a patch. There's a scrubber dryer, and you can actually see distinctively that that's worked. And then the patch where there wasn't any, the gap, and then you've got your Ubik, so that's done a good job. So then we're going across to Dragon Juice. Just switch that away. Good job by Dragon Juice. There's the gap between them both. EBC. Yeah, good job by there. There's the patch between them both again. Solvent based. That's a very distinct line, but obviously I expected that with a solvent based. Any solvent will chew through oil for fun kind of thing. But on the solvent base you can actually see the stones between as well. So, there's a patch again. Eco 1. It has done a job, but I think compared to the others, it's not done the best job. High caustic, that's done a brilliant job, really chewed through it. Look at that. There's a gap. Super concentrate. Yet again, really chewed through it. There's a gap, and obviously this is where I did the 50-50 mix. Somewhere around, I can't even bloody see now. That's done a good-ish job. Well, it's hard to tell which has been the best. I'd say that's the eco stuff's not done all that good, but again the dwell time was 10 minutes, maybe with a dwell time longer. Don't forget it is up against some high caustic stuff as well. Ubik, cracking job on the Ubik. I like Ubik personally, I do quite use that quite often. Scrubber dryer, Django, good job on that. Dragon Juice, good job on that. To say it's an eco one as well, that's a very good job. EBC, good job on that as well, and also an eco. So it's pretty much the same assumption as what I've always kind of thought already. They're all degreasers, they do all degrease. They're just made for different applications, i.e. the eco stuff you want around food stuff, or you don't, when you can't have any runoff into drains. Ubik, I believe they use that on like hospitals, cleaning blood, etc, etc. Scrubber dryer, another caustic one, obviously for scrubber dryers. Dragon Juice and EBC. I know Dragon Juice is pretty new on the market. EBC is, I'm not sure how old that product is, but it does do what it says on the tin, and it is eco-friendly. The solvent-based one, cracking job, but not very eco-friendly, as you know. That's pretty much it, lads. They all do the job. They all degrease, but I imagine the only other test you could do is dwell times, like, but I really haven't got time for that today, and I'm not sure when I will have, i.e. which one works the quickest, which one works in the most diluted concentrations. But I mean, there's no clear winner. They've all done a good job, and it's just a case of what you want to use. And bear in mind, it was on cold water. I am going to go over it with hot. I'm going to pick one in a minute, I don't know which one, and spray it with a foam lance all over this floor. Leave it for 10 minutes and give it a blast off with red hot water, and I'll show you some before and after pictures. Alright lads, thank you. Alright lads, just going to show you this bit. Just noticed, apart from the bitumen based stuff, there's also areas where they've dug up and replaced with concrete. You look at that line there, that side's full of grease, that side's not. Okay, Lee Kenny Power Wash cleaning yet again. This is the finished product. As I said before, it's an asphalt based substance, bitumen kind of thing. This is the finished product now, just all rinsed off. It all looks, I mean, it's hard to tell because it's jet black, but if you have a look here now where I stopped with the degreaser, there you go. Massive difference. That's the food service yard. I mean, we're only doing to this shutter door, but if you have a look here, you can easily tell. Massive difference. I'll even just get my key, just so you can see that this was grease. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Right, you can see it's all grease. Really heavy deposits of it. Minging. So anyway, there you go, results are good. That is as clean as you'll get it. So obviously it's hard to tell, like I said, it's black, but there you go. And obviously we're doing all around there as well. Got Terry over here doing a bit. This was that concrete area. All this was black. You could not see any difference. And all the sides up there, and all the top level of the deck, the top of that deck as well, and the sides. Right, thanks a lot.